Hey guys, it's Rita. I'm going to make a wreath today, and I'm using some yellow sheer mesh that I picked up at Walmart. This is a wreath I already had from Dollar Tree with some burlap that's been hot glued to it, so I didn't want to try to tear it off. I'm just going to go over it. And then I'm using one of the Easter Bunny signs from Dollar Tree as well. I'll use some white chalk paint and antique wax. There's not quite enough mesh to go around it, but I will be adding flowers to the bottom. And excuse what I have on, but I'm doing some batch recording, so you may see a few videos with me in the same clothes. And trust me, I don't wear these out of the house. I had wrapped some of the jute twine around it, but I didn't like the way it looked, so I'm going to take that off and go back in with some of the Dollar Tree lace. And here you'll see I'm taking the bunny and taking the twine off. I'm going to paint the bunny with chalk paint and distress it with some antique wax. I will be applying 2 coats of the chalk paint, and then I'm going to take my paint marker and go back in and draw his face on also. And now I'll go in with the lace from Dollar Tree and wrap it all the way around the wreath. Now I'll go in with some hot glue and attach the bunny, and I did put the little bow back on the bunny. I'll also be using the carrots. I'm going to paint these with the white chalk paint and use the antique wax on those as well. Then I'll attach them to the wreath. I'll use a piece of the jute twine just to make a hanger for it. And here it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick video today. And as always, thank you to my supporters. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And hit that notification bell for upcoming videos. Please comment, like, and share. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.